Hello, welcome happy flowers. In today's video, I am using pussy red willows to make my arrangements. These arrangements are in ikebana style. I'll be making 4 different designs using the same flowers. Arrangement number 1. I'm using pussy willows in all my arrangements. The stems of the pussy willows is quite strong, so you have to cut it at an angle or split at the end before you insert in the arrangement. Now I want to use gold plated eucalyptus leaves in my arrangement. I am attaching a small stem with a wire so that it can easily be inserted in the kenzan. Now cover the kenzan with some flowers or leaves and your arrangement is ready to display. Arrangement number 2. In this arrangement, I am using 2 kenzans. Keep the 2 flower holders in the front opposite sides. Make a similar arrangement like our arrangement number 1 using the 2 kenzans. This design is only a slight variation from our arrangement number 1. I am covering the kenzan with some flowers and leaves and pour water so that the kenzan is completely immersed in water. In this arrangement, I made loops with pussy willows and used. I will show you how to do that. Gently press the stems with both your hands. Now you can easily give a loop shape to your stems, tie it with the floral wire and use it in the arrangement. The main lines are arranged. Now we have to cover the kenzan with some flowers and leaves before we display the arrangement. In this arrangement, I have given another beautiful shape to the pussy willows using floral wire. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.